Phalanges. Deep in the wetlands, a giant buffalo enters the water, carrying hundreds of unwanted parasites on its skin. These parasites feed on the buffalo's blood, causing irritation and discomfort every day. But hidden beneath the surface, an army of tiny cleaners is already waiting. As soon as the buffalo stops moving, the fish begin their important work. Each fish targets parasites, dead skin, and harmful organisms. The buffalo remains surprisingly calm during this underwater treatment. Hundreds of fish work together, reaching areas the buffalo cannot clean itself. Every parasite removed means less pain and better health for the giant animal. This partnership benefits both sides in an extraordinary way. The birds receive a nutritious meal while helping their massive client. Together, they create one of nature's most effective cleaning teams. After the cleaning session, the buffalo's skin becomes healthier and more comfortable. The fish carefully inspect every part of the buffalo's body. Even as the buffalo moves, some fish continue their valuable service.
This remarkable relationship has evolved over countless generations.
Eventually, the buffalo leaves the river cleaner and healthier than before. The fish return to their underwater world, waiting for the next visitor. In nature, even the largest animals sometimes depend on the smallest helpers to survive.